Hello. In this video, I want to show you how to make a desk organizer that is more of a stand as opposed to a block. So I'm going to start by creating a sketch on a plane. And I'm going to do a rectangle. Click on this rectangle and origin and bring it out. This one, I'm going to do 2 inches, pretty small, by a little bit longer, 10 inches this way. Okay. And how I did that was by tabbing between the two things. If you miss the dimensioning tool, you can hit, if you miss the initial dimension, you can go Create, Sketch Dimension, shortcut D, click on this line, bring it out, and click on the size that you want there. Okay, now I'm going to draw, I'm going to do only pencils for this one, but you can do anything that you want. I'm going to start a circle near the corner here, and I'm going to dimension this circle by going to Create, Sketch Dimension, or shortcut D. Click on the edge of that circle and click a little bit a ways away. I'm going to do 5 divided by 16, or 5/16, which is a good size for an average pencil. And you can see it also is 0.313. Then I'm going to dimension this by hitting that D key again. Click here on the circle, and then click on the wall nearby. I'm going to make this 1 inch from the edge, and then D for dimension. Click, click, click. 0.5 of an inch from that side. So 1 inch from here. Again, you can make different decisions. Then I'm going to go to Create Rectangular Pattern. I'm going to select that circle. I'm going to select a direction, and I'm going to do extent, and I'm going to change my quantity to 10, and my distance to 9. And that looks good, but we're going off the edge over there, so I'm going to change my distance to 8. And that looks pretty good, nice and balanced on both sides. And now I'm going to make 2 rows of that. So my second direction is this way, clicking here and here. And then I'm going to do a quantity of 2 over a distance of 2. Too far away, distance of 1. That looks pretty good. And click OK. All right, we're done with our sketch. We're going to hit Finish Sketch. Hold Shift, click the scroll wheel to orbit up a little bit. E for Extrude or Create Extrude. Remember, I already hit Finish Sketch, and so I'm in my 3D menu again. I'm going to go to Extrude now. Click on this shape. And actually, yeah, I'm going to do just this. I'm going to go a distance of 0.5 for the thickness of plywood that we're using. Click OK. Now, I'd love to fill in these holes at the bottom. I'd say this is pretty necessary. So on the bottom of this one, I'm going to start a sketch on the bottom. And I'm going to go P for Project Include and click on the shape and click OK. Now all that geometry isn't included on a sketch on the bottom again. Finish Sketch. Oh, we probably could have skipped this step, but this will be more clear, I think. Now go E for Extrude. Click on all of these holes. And then I'm going to orbit up a little bit, and I'm going to go minus 0.1. And join. So that's going to make all of these come up a little bit, so there's actually a solid bottom to this. All right. Would have been smart to do it a different way, but that's okay. Now we're going to go M for Move Copy, or Modify, Move Copy. Click on this shape, and let's go up. Cancel. M for Move Copy. Click on the shape, then click on Create Copy next, right here. Then we'll copy it up to about maybe 2 inches up, and we'll click OK. Now we do want these holes to go all the way through, so I'm going to go E for Extrude, and click on all of these holes. Again, there was a smarter way to do this whole thing, but this gives you the right kind of practice anyway, so it's fine. Click on all our holes, and then we're gonna orbit to get a better view of what we're doing, and we'll cut down through some amount so we get those holes all the way through. Now these two pieces would not stay together by themselves, so we got to put some sides on them. I'm going to create a sketch on this edge right here, and then I'm going to do P for project include, or create project include project. What this does is bring 3D geometry into the 2D sketch. So right now I can't select points when I'm extruding, but I need to select that and click OK. Now I can do, you can see that I'm select those sides. Really I don't want to orbit though, I want to stay in this view right here. So I can click on my view cube to the right side to lock into that view. Then I can go rectangle, corner to opposite corner, and finish sketch. Then extrude, click, click, click. That was create extrude here. Click, click, click. And let's do 1/2 inch, 0.5. Don't click OK until you switch join to new body. And if you somehow forgot to do that, you can go back in your history right here, right click on your previous command, edit feature, and change it from join to new body. All right, now we want another one of those on the other side. Let's use a mirroring trick to do that. So I'm going to go down here on bodies. I'm going to label my bottom body as base. I'm going to label the top as top. Oh, by the way, I'm clicking once and then clicking again to change the name. And side, we'll call this left side, even though it's a little bit arbitrary. And now I'm going to turn off the left side that we just created. Then I'm going to go to construct a mid-plane. So it's 4 down here. Click on this edge, orbit, click on the other edge, and click OK. Now I have this yellow plane in the middle of my design. I can turn the left side back on and go to Create Mirror. This is my mirror plane. This is my object. So I'm going to copy my object, then select my mirror plane, and then click OK. And now I have the completed shape right here. You can turn off that construction plane and see the finished creation right there. All right, save it in your turn-in folder.